I will be using Eco Styling Gel and comb to style my hair into a silky bun, which literally takes 3 minutes of your time. So I start by applying some moisturizer to my hair. That allows my hair to be in a good position, more soft and silk and laid back. So, and the reason why I do this is because I try to avoid using so much products on my hair. So now I'm combing all my hair to the back to make sure that all the hair are laying in a good position for this bun. It's literally one of the quickest hairstyle that you can do. Like, it literally takes 3 to 5 minutes and you are ready, and it's gonna look very, very nice, neat and sleek. So I apply Eco Styling Gel on top after I finish applying a moisturizer, but I rub it into my hands and then I applied all over my hair. And as you can see in the video, I'm just like using a comb to make sure that I brush all my hair in really, really neat position. And I use elastic band just to tie my hair to secure it in the position where I want it to be. You can leave it like that, for instance, if that's a goal for you, but I want to wrap it around. I divide it into sections, and I'm gonna twist a little bit on the side, if that makes sense. And I'm wrapping this around and around like in a circle, and I'm using another elastic band just to secure it in position so it doesn't go out. So for my edges, I am not like a huge fan of these dramatic edges, so the look I'm going for today, it's a little bit more just neat, elegant, simple, just like, you know, like in a nature era. So I use my eyebrows or eyebrows makeup brush. It's what I'm using to secure my edges, which works really, really well. I feel like it works better than the edge brushes which I have, but I don't use in this case because I want just like very, very little edges, which really I think is the best. Yeah, so I recommend you use that if you have one for the makeup. And I'm just like making sure that all the hair are back. So that's it. It's neat, it's clean, it's laid, flat, simple, and that's the finished look with the makeup. So let me know what you think down below the comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.